Hello, hello, and come on, enjoy me while I'm out here working in my garden. So it is now time for me to repot this beautiful baby right here. This is a snake plant that was given to me by my cousin, and it's been with me not as long as Stemmy. Stemmy's been with me for over, oh my goodness, now that I realize it, Stemmy has been with me, you know, I'm not going to tell my age. Stemmy has been with me over 10 years. This snake plant has only been with me, it's probably just under maybe 4 or 5 years, but I'm getting ready to replant it in a planter that is very much so similar to Stemmy's because snake plants once again are prone to root rot. We're going to start with the succulent dirt first. We're going to utilize the soil that is already there, and then we're going to utilize that topsoil that Menards had on sale. Alright, y'all ready to get it? Let's go! So once again, remember that you want to make sure that whatever planter you get has drainage points. Make sure you have, whether it be paper or plastic, down so you don't miss out on any of your good soil. I'm just putting a little bit here at the bottom because the rest of this soil is going to be used to repot my jade plant back here. And I don't know if you can see it, I'll bring it closer, but that is Stemmy right now. Stemmy almost looking like a brand new plant. Stemmy looking like a young man in his prime. And I ain't mad at him. Alrighty, so we have our succulent dirt, soil down here. And basically, the difference between regular soil and the succulent soil is the fact that it is fast drying. As you can see, my snake plant is tall, and I love it. I am here for it. Alrighty, and then we got some dirt or soil here. Let's go. Once again, same situation. We're gonna massage these roots. We're gonna let these roots know, hey, it's okay to be free. You can branch out. I'm giving you a bigger home. Grow, my darling. Grow. Yes. And now we're just going to fill in a little bit of the dirt on the sides and of course the top. So this is yet another reason when you are repotting a house plant, and especially if you are going to utilize fertilizers and things of that nature, this is why I say, like, it's okay for you to go ahead and buy the soil that's on sale. It's okay, I promise you. Good soil here. Lovely for the simple fact we caught it on sale. So just a reminder, if you don't buy the expensive dirt or the organic dirt, you can always get fertilizer. Basically, you can always import your nutrients. That's what you need to do. If that's what you have, figure out what exactly will be an assistance in your plant thriving. Okay, so if your plant is a plant like some succulents, they need nitrogen. Okay, so at that point in time, just like what you would do in your garden, it's a great idea if you got chickens like me to use that chicken compost on it. If you have Or if you are a fan of bananas and you eat bananas, guess what? You can use the banana peels as compost that will release nitrogen. You can either take the banana peels and set them in water for a day or so, and the water will start to turn really, really dark green. You know it's ready when it turns that really, really dark green, and you can utilize it. Now, I don't necessarily suggest using that method on your indoor plants because, of course, banana peels has been left in water for days. Alright, but if it's like an outdoor patio or something like that, I don't need. Someplace that's not like a small room. Okay, what I like to do is I like to massage the soil and rub on the soil and break up any clumps that I see, because once again, I'm trying to create an atmosphere for my plants to thrive, and part of that is making sure the soil is aerated. Meaning you're going to allow air to get through there. It's so funny, you guys can't see, my chicken coop is right on the other side of the camera, and my chicken babies have been watching me intently. I actually aerated the soil for them before I put down some new wood chips for them. Alrighty, and this is how my baby looks now. Alright, so I am going to water it, but if you did not know, with snake plants, it does not require much of us. It's definitely a great low maintenance indoor plant. And actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to go grab Stingy. And this is just a small glimpse of what my bay window looks like. Now I'm going to go grab my jade plant, and I'm getting ready to repot that as well. I'm actually going to utilize the plant that the snake plant came out of.